Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. It is a skill that can be developed and nurtured in children from a young age. Here are some ways to help children develop emotional intelligence. 1. Model emotional intelligence. Children learn by example, so it's important for adults to demonstrate emotional intelligence in their own behavior. This means being aware of and expressing your own emotions in a healthy way, as well as being able to read and respond to the emotions of others. 2. Encourage emotional expression. Children need to feel that it's safe to express their emotions, both positive and negative. Create a space where they feel comfortable talking about their feelings and expressing themselves. 3. Teaching empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Teaching empathy can be done by encouraging children to put themselves in others' shoes and helping them to understand that everyone has different feelings and perspectives. 4. Encourage problem solving. Problem solving is an important aspect of emotional intelligence. Teach children to identify and express their emotions, and then help them to come up with solutions to the problems that are causing those emotions. 5. Help them to find effective coping mechanisms. Being able to cope with difficult emotions is an important part of emotional intelligence. Help children find healthy ways to cope with difficult emotions, such as going for a walk, talking to a trusted friend or adult, or engaging in a favorite hobby. 6. Communication. Be a good listener, communicate effectively, and teach children how to communicate effectively too. It will help them understand their own feelings and the feelings of others. 7. Recognize and validate feelings. Let children know that all feelings are normal and that it is okay to feel them. Even negative feelings are a normal part of being human. 8. Provide support when needed. Children need to know that they can come to you for support when they're feeling overwhelmed by their emotions. Be available to listen and provide guidance when needed. It's worth noting that it's also important to remember that children develop at different rates, and what works for one child may not work for another. It's important to be adaptable and to adjust your approach as needed.